You can build a square pixel LED display with Adafruit Sparkle Motion and WLED. This project uses the Sparkle Motion board to drive 256 NeoPixel LEDs. It features the WLED software to display awesome LED animations that can be customized using a computer or mobile device. This 16 by 16 NeoPixel Matrix has a piece of black LED acrylic layered over the panel to soften the LEDs. A 3D printed grid isolates each LED and creates separation between the lights, making a square pixel effect. We designed and 3D printed the frame to house the parts together, making a display that can sit upright or mounted to your wall. It's easy to install WLED. We can start by downloading the firmware from the Adafruit Learn system. We can install the firmware using the Adafruit ESP tool website. Just plug in the board using a USB data cable and connect over serial USB. Once connected, choose the special LED bin file we downloaded from the Learn guide and write it to the board. You can check out the progress bar or the serial monitor during the installation. The Sparkle Motion will create a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can connect to using a computer or mobile device. A welcome screen pops up letting you add your Wi-Fi credentials so you can connect WLED to your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down to the MDNS section where you can create a custom URL for your WLED board. Once you're done, click Save and Connect. Now we can hop back onto our Wi-Fi network and go to the WLED URL to launch the interface. To configure the matrix, click on the gear icon in the top menu and then click on LED Preferences. Under the LED outputs, we'll double check our LED driver type. You'll want to update the length and change the GPIO pin. Be sure to click Save when you're all set. Back in the config menu, click on 2D configuration. In the stripper panel dropdown, select 2D matrix. For the LED panel layout, we'll choose bottom right for the first LED. We'll use horizontal for the orientation and enable the serpentine checkbox. Then update the dimensions to 16 by 16. Lastly, click Save and close out the config menu to return to the main interface. Under the Effects tab, you can click on the search box and then click the matrix icon to show only 2D animations. Each animation can be customized using the sliders and color palettes to make the effects look awesome on the display. We hope this inspires you to check out Sparkle Motion and WLED for your next project.